just a trial and error. 3:20 p.m. afternoon of November 16. Now it's obvious because at below of the title there will be a date. No need to say the time too. But the point here is hesitation. Hesitation. Now that's a huge word that stops me from creating this video, though I'm not sure if this counted as one. I could create a script though, rather than doing this talking talking without reading. Just words straight out of the mind with little to less thoughts in it. I'm not that great in speaking this English. My voice might be low. Maybe. I don't see it's getting. Uh, yeah, there's a lot of. How do you call this? Dead air in my sentences. Words are not falling to what they should be. Fill in the blanks. A lot of fill in the blanks. And I'm not, again, in my thoughts. So, hesitation. It's something because you don't see a need for it in the present. You don't do it because there's no instant reward or effect. Well, you do see it, but it's not a priority for now. There's other things that keeps you distracted in that moment. And hesitation is quite a huge topic. You can think of it, but it's seriously different in doing it. You can always think about it, but there are times that you don't do it, even though you think of it a lot. And that's my thought on doing these videos. Not sure if this is qualified as a video, just pure voice and a black screen. Maybe in the future I'll post something, a video, a real one now, one that speaks or shows it in its words. Oh, yep, my mind is mostly blank when speaking. I can talk what I want to talk during the time where all I speak is inside my mind. Whew. So that's my topic. Also, this is just a trial. Not sure because it's fast. When you're talking, it's fast. What? Nah, it's just my perception of it. It's different when you're listening and talking. Sometimes for the listener, it's slower. But for the one who's doing the talking, time passes. That's why I get podcasts. Seems to be long. Longer than what usual videos are. Ooh. And for me, I'm not still used in talking. I want to be better at speaking and be more fluent in English. I just need to find a way to practice this. And I see this as one of the reasons to why I'm doing this is for practicing to be better. Yeah, because of just a video that I watch the internet, YouTube more specific. That in practice, sometimes you'll always get a better version of it if you keep repeating it. If you are consistent in doing it, it just takes you to do it, to do it, to do it. Just do it. Easier said than done. That's true. I should have done this maybe 3 weeks ago or a month. Then I might be better right now in the present at speaking, at making my thoughts into words that others could understand, or make it make it more easier for others to understand. What the heck was that sound? So practice and hesitations are not good. Obviously, if you have the opportunity to do it, why not do it? Why not grab it? Yep, I'm seriously talking slow. I should be talking faster than that. I should. Oh my. Yep, my mind is lagging. It's flowing somewhere. Well, practice and practice. Every practice makes the next one better. Consistency is a king. Is a key. So how do you become consistent at something? Well, being passionate obviously does it, and also words sometimes don't fulfill their true intentions. Sometimes you just have to do to the words. Your thoughts should be done. It shouldn't just stay in your mind. It's serious. There's a big difference in doing and thinking, and when you're doing it, it's very different than your expectations of your mind. So, yep, just like this. I didn't expect this. I didn't expect to speak this slow, especially at the beginning. And I think my mind is, I wouldn't say slowly adapting, but in each video I'll probably improve slightly. So be consistent. Don't avoid hesitation. And this is seriously not fun though. I hope the idea passes through. And I keep repeating it. Uh, well, practice makes a difference. And each time you make it, there's probably a slight improvement. and I'll probably try this again. I might, just might be better in the future. That's why I seek to improve the present so that I won't repeat my past. I'll reflect on it and be slightly better. Depends on what my present can do, just like what I'm doing right now. I hope that I'll do better in the future. And also, hope seems to be fulfilled if they are done in action. I might say the obvious thing, but hey, hopes, hopes are like dreams. You either dream or you do what your dreams are. Easier said than done again. Yeah, so there's two types, or there's two probably kinds of people in this world, those who dream and those who dream and try to do it in reality. At least they try, and if they make a mistake, they could learn from it rather than that guy who keeps dreaming, and it's probably my past self. And I want my future to learn from this. And now I'm in a tilt if I should upload. Yeah, I'll do this. I'm also hesitating in doing this. Though it's what's my intention was it was supposed to be a try. I might just as well do it. So what should be the title? I'll think about it afterwards. Hesitations and practice. Keep doing it. Just do it. Just do it. There's a vastly difference in thinking and doing. And what will you lose if you do it? Well, it depends on what you what you'll do. But mostly you'll learn from the experience. You'll learn from it. And those who create more learns more. And I don't know how to end this. And how does one end a video? Well, they mostly say see you or bye bye or something new. Well, I'll end it with a sound. A sound. Okay, a sound. Pop, I'll be copyrighted.